Hey, good evening all. We're going to be starting a coal fire here this evening. I've been burning red elm here through the day. That stuff burns about like coal. That is good stuff. So, got a nice bit of red elm in there now. First thing I'm going to do is shake all that coals and ashes down through there. Now I'll start laying my coal in on top of that. That's been a pretty good old wood furnace. We've had that, I think we put this in 2014. Yeah, we put that furnace in, I think, 2013. They had a so-called propane shortage. I think propane got up to about $4 a gallon. So it was an easy decision. Put my welding gloves on now. Reaching there a little further. Yeah, that stuff's hot. Yeah, we had about, I don't know, we had 6 degrees this morning, but it did kind of warm up today. It got up to about 24. That's like a heat wave. Supposed to get, I don't know, a couple, 3 more inches of snow maybe this evening. Yeah, I'm really happy with that furnace. It's tied in with our gas furnace. Yeah, we'll let that coal start to get going. I'll come back and check it in about 15 minutes or so, and I'll throw some more on. Well, that's how I do it, folks. You guys try to stay warm. Catch you later.